What does it mean to be vegan-friendly? A guide to vegan-friendly foods and products. Whether you're interested in making more vegan choices for yourself or you're just trying to become more informed about where and how animal products are used, the first step is learning a little bit about what it really means for products to be vegan-friendly. But it's also important to know the many ways some things turn out to be not so vegan-friendly. Just a fair warning, there's a lot to learn and you may be surprised by the amount of things that aren't vegan. To help you navigate what's what in the world of being vegan-friendly, this video is a helpful little starter guide. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with Vegan Cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. What does vegan-friendly mean? If something is vegan-friendly, it does not contain animal ingredients or animal-derived ingredients. But ideally, it also means that no animals or animal products were used in any part of its creation. When it comes to how products are labeled, the difference between something being vegan versus stating that it is vegan-friendly or suitable for vegans may only be related to a certification from a vegan organization. These certifications also ensure that the product was not tested on animals. Because vegan is not necessarily the same as cruelty-free. Some products which use animal testing can still call themselves vegan-friendly because their ingredients are vegan. So, for some, vegan-friendly might also include freedom from animal testing, in addition to being free from animal-based ingredients. How do you check to see if packaged foods are vegan? Labels have come a long way. As veganism continues to grow in popularity, more brands are making an effort to point out their vegan-friendliness right on the label. But there are a couple of ways a brand might get a more official vegan stamp of approval. A product may carry a vegan trademark, which means it has been approved by the Vegan Society for certification as a vegan product. If a company or manufacturer calls a product vegan, but it has not been registered with the vegan trademark, the Vegan Society may refer to it as vegan-friendly rather than vegan. Additionally, the Vegan Awareness Foundation, the group behind vegan.org, also offers a certification. Any product bearing the certified vegan logo has been through an approval process to ensure the absence of animal products. In order to be certified vegan by either organization, the products must also be cruelty-free. But not every vegan-friendly product has applied for the rights to use a trademark or certification and may label itself vegan-friendly or suitable for vegans on its own. That doesn't mean it's any less vegan, only that it hasn't been vetted by an external organization to ensure it meets their standards. Finally, not all vegan products are clearly labeled as vegan or vegan-friendly at all. Don't be automatically discouraged if something you want hasn't promoted its veganness on the label. But do read the ingredient list to learn more. One easy indicator that something is not vegan is to scan for allergen information, and if it reads contains milk, eggs, shellfish, then it's definitely not vegan. What food ingredients aren't vegan? There are a lot of ingredients that are not vegan. Some foods you might expect to be 100% vegan sometimes contain one or more animal-derived ingredients. Besides obvious things like milk and eggs, there are many foods and products that may seem inherently vegan, but actually aren't. For example, beer, wine, or fruit juice may be filtered, defoamed, or clarified with animal products. So while the wine may be made from grapes, it may be filtered through animal-derived fining agents like casein, blood and bone marrow, egg albumin, chitin, fish oil, gelatin, or isinglass. So wine, which seems like a given vegan product, may not be vegan-friendly at all. For you vegan wine drinkers, don't worry, those animal-based fining agents can be replaced with suitable vegan alternatives like carbon, bentonite clay, limestone, kaolin clay, plant casein, silica gel, and vegetable plaques. Most wines don't list their fining agents, so instead you'll want to look for wines that are labeled as vegan, vegan-friendly, or those that say unfiltered. If you want to take a deeper dive, PETA has created a comprehensive list of animal-derived ingredients and their alternatives. So what are generally considered vegan-friendly foods? Your best bets for vegan-friendly foods are usually going to be plant-based foods and whole grains. If you keep it simple and look for foods that have few ingredients or, better yet, are the ingredients, you're going to be off to a strong start. But here's a short list. Fruits and vegetables. Legumes such as peas, beans, and lentils. Tofu, seitan, tempeh. Nuts and seeds. Some breads, rice, and certain pasta. Plant-based milks. Vegetable oils. How do I find vegan-friendly restaurants? Use Happy Cow. Happy Cow has reviews of vegan restaurants, guides to healthy vegetarian food, natural food stores, and lists vegan-friendly options nearby, recipes, and travel. Besides food, what else may not be vegan? Honestly, everything. This is potentially the trickiest part of being vegan-friendly. Most household items are worth putting through an "is this vegan?" inspection. Simple, everyday things like soap, shampoo, skincare products, makeup, laundry detergent, and clothing may not be vegan. There are several ingredients that show up in a number of these products that can make them vegan unfriendly. Fortunately, for most things, there is a vegan alternative. You just need to know how to spot both. For example, glycerin, a product used in several personal care items, is an animal fat, but vegetable glycerin is also a thing, and that's okay for vegans. So, you just want to look for the word vegetable before glycerin in the ingredient list. Are there any vegan-friendly apps? Yes. There are definitely some great apps that can help serve as guides, such as Is It Vegan, Cruelty Cutter, Vegaholic, Air Vegan, Gonets, Food Monster. Whether your interest in vegan products is for health reasons, concerns over animal cruelty, or to help the planet, becoming more vegan-friendly is a journey well worth taking. There's a lot to learn, but once you start to get familiar with vegan labels, terms, and ingredients, it will become second nature. As with anything, the beginning can be a little challenging, but with time, you'll find shopping for vegan products a breeze. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.